To merge the cells of the column, we will be using two different attributes, call span and row span. To merge columns, we will use call span, and to merge rows, we will use row span. So first HTML, head, title, merged cells, close title, close head, body, bg color, now table tag, border equals to 4, uh, border color equals to green, width equals to 400, and cell spacing, that is the distance between the borders of the cells. So 3, let us make it 8. Cell padding 10. Now I'm going to start the row, first row. So in the first row, I have to suppose create a table which should appear like this. I'm creating a table first in MS Excel so that you can get an idea which type of table we are going to create. So here I'll be writing roll numbers, then name, then class, and activity. And all these are the merged cells. And here I am writing sports list, roll number 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose roll number 1 is he is doing two different activities, so we have to merge these two cells also. Activities. Okay, so according to this list, Roll number 1 is involved in two different activities. So that's why we have merged the cells here. So this type of table we have to create today with the text only, and these cells also we have merged. So first of all, you have to decide how many columns are there in your table. So I have four different columns, and total number of rows are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 rows I have, and four columns I have. So in the table, in the coding now, we will write tr. This time you have to span columns. Span columns means we have to merge four different columns and to make it a single cell. So here we will write in tr tag call span equals to 4. Why we are writing 4? Because we have to merge four different cells. Next is td. In the td means what content you have to write here, because this is a heading, so I will be using the th tag instead of td tag. So this is sports list, close th tag. Now my first row is complete, so I'll close here tr tag. Now again start the tr tag for the next row. In the next row I have to insert four different the four cell content of four different cells, but in the first cell, in the second cell, in the third cell, I have to merge two rows. So here I will write td row span. Sorry, you don't have to apply call span in tr, you have to apply it in th. Call span equals to 4, and here row span equals to 2, because we have to merge only two columns. The content of the first cell is 1. Close td again row span equals to 2, aditi, close td row span equals to 2, 8a, close td. This time we don't have to merge the cells. In the first cell we have merged two different rows, in the second cell also we have merged two different rows, in the third cell also we have merged two different rows, but we don't have to merge in the fourth cell. So we will not write row span, we will directly write and close td tag. Now close tr tag. First row is complete. Sorry, second row is complete. Now we are starting the third row. In the third row, sorry, we have missed one row, that is the heading, roll number, name, class and activity. So I'll insert it, but before that now I am inserting the fourth row, in which this is already we have done with the third row. This cell is already created with the third row, this cell is also created with the third row, so we have to insert only one cell, that is in which we have to write yoga. So here we will be writing td yoga, close td, and this row is also complete, so we are going to close tr tag. Okay, so here we are inserting the second row. This is a simple row with all the content. First is roll number, You can make it th so that it can appear bold. Roll number, close th, name, close th, class, close th, then last is activity, close th. Okay, so we have created till fourth row. Now we have to start with the fifth row. So for fifth row, which is a simple row, I'm going to copy this code. No, I will not copy because we have to use td instead of th. So we will write directly td, roll number 2, close td, now again start td. The name is Rohan, 8th A and judo. Rohan, close td, 8th A, close td, judo, close td, close tr. This is our fourth row, and fifth and sixth row is also same. So I'm going to copy it, paste it 2 times. Now do the required changes. This is 3, this is 4. What are the names? One is Bhavna and one is Kirti. Eighth B. Okay, so the table is complete now. So we are going to close the table tag here and the body tag, then HTML tag, save it. Merged table dot HTML. Before that, I am also going to give a background color to the table. So here I will add BG color equals to yellow. Save.
Align.
What beta? Yes, Aditi, you want to ask something?
Align. I want to
Align,
say that yes,
align.
not
Okay,
use
we
the
will do
align
later.
at.
Yes, we will do it later. So save. We can place our table in the center. So for that, I'm using the center tag, and I will close the center tag after the table tag. Save and check now. Rest of the modifications we will do later. I think I have not saved in the folder where I should save. Okay, it is getting it's saved in class 7, so we have to just change the folder and we have to save it in this folder. Save. Okay, so let us check now. This is the table. Right click, open, with Google Chrome. Okay, so see, the table is coming, the cells are merged with each other. What I'm going to do, I'm going to reduce the cell spacing option so that you will be able to judge clearly. Cell spacing. Let us remove this attribute. Save and check. Okay, as everybody can see, in this table we have merged first 4 different columns for the creation of first row. Second row is normal. We have not merged anything in the second row, but in the third row we have merged 2 different rows, and in the second column also we have merged 2 different rows. In third column also we have merged 2 different rows here. So the content of the fourth column content is normal everywhere. So this is how we can merge the cells of a table using, we have used 2 different attributes for this, that is call span to merge the columns. If you want to merge the columns, then you have to use the attribute call span, and if you have to merge the rows, then you have to use the attribute row span. So using these 2 attributes of td tag or th tag, you can merge the columns together, you can merge the rows together to make it a single cell. I hope it is clear to everyone. If anybody is having any doubt, you can ask right now. Gursimar, you want to ask something? Or Aditi, you want to ask?
Excuse me,
Yes, yes.
ma'am, what is the highest value given to the table body?
Table border. There is no highest value. I can make it 40 also. Let us check. See, the border is coming like this now. So there is no maximum value. This is totally up to you what value you want to give. Anybody else wants to ask something now? Okay, so I think everything is clear now. How can we merge the cells of a table to create a table with merged cells and merged columns?